Welcome back to Silicophilic. I was all set for a movie night, but instead of streaming my favorite show, Disney Plus suddenly displayed error code 4 and wouldn't let me sign in. At first, I thought the service was down, but after digging into the problem, I discovered it was actually related to my payment information. Here is what I did to fix it. Before making any changes, try these quick checks first. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Verify that you are signing into the correct Disney Plus account. Check that your bank card is active and hasn't expired. If everything looks fine, continue with these methods. Verify your billing zip or postal code. The most common cause of error code 4 is an incorrect billing zip or postal code. The zip code entered in your Disney Plus payment settings must exactly match the billing address registered with your bank. Even a small mismatch can cause your payment to be rejected. Open your Disney Plus account settings, navigate to payment information. Carefully verify your billing zip or postal code. If necessary, compare it with your online banking account or your latest card statement. Save the changes and try the payment again. Use a U.S. issued card. Disney Plus requires a card issued by a US-based financial institution. International cards may not be accepted. If you are outside the US, consider using PayPal if available or a US issued card. Contact your bank to confirm whether your card is recognized as US issued. Check your card security code. Next, verify the CVV or security code on your payment card. For most cards, it's the 3-digit number on the back. For American Express cards, it's the 4-digit number on the front. Re-enter the code carefully. Avoid typing mistakes or extra spaces. If your card is damaged and the code isn't clearly visible, try using another card. Verify the card expiration date. An expired payment card will automatically trigger error code 4. Check the expiration month and year printed on your card. Enter them exactly as shown. If your card has expired, update your Disney Plus payment method with your replacement card. Avoid unsupported prepaid or government-issued cards. Some prepaid cards and government-issued benefit cards aren't supported by Disney Plus. If you are using one of these payment methods, switch to a standard debit card, credit card, or another payment option accepted by Disney Plus. Wait and try again. Sometimes there is nothing wrong with your payment information. Temporary server issues or payment processing delays can also trigger error code 4. Wait for several minutes before trying again. If the problem continues, try making the payment later in the day. Contact Disney Plus support. If you have verified all your payment details and error code 4 still appears, it's time to contact Disney Plus support. Visit the Disney Plus Help Center, explain that you are receiving error code 4 during payment or subscription verification. Their support team can check whether there is an issue with your account or payment processing. And that's how you can fix Disney Plus error code 4. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Silicophilic, and hit the notification bell for more Disney Plus, Windows, and streaming troubleshooting guides. Also, let us know in the comment section below which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.